Are you looking to set up Outgrow campaigns in Google Ads but aren't sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Outgrow and set up successful campaigns within Google Ads. Whether you're brand new to Outgrow or want a quick refresher, stick around to the end for a special offer that'll help you dive deeper into the software with an exclusive extended free trial. Outgrow is a powerful interactive content platform that allows you to create personalized experiences such as quizzes, calculators, and assessments, which can drive massive engagement with your audience. If you're leveraging Google Ads to drive traffic to your Outgrow campaigns, you're about to see how easy it is to connect the two and get results. Start by making sure your Outgrow campaign is fully set up and ready to go. Once you've created your quiz or calculator, head over to the Publish section of Outgrow, where you'll get a link to your campaign. You'll need this link for Google Ads, so copy it for later. Now let's get into Google Ads. Start by setting up a new campaign in Google Ads. Choose the campaign type that aligns with your goals, like search or display, depending on where you want to direct traffic. For most cases, a search campaign works great when you're targeting specific queries related to your Outgrow campaign. Once you've selected your campaign type, go ahead and configure your campaign settings, budget, and bidding strategy. In the Add Extensions section, don't forget to add call-out extensions, site link extensions, or any other that might help your audience see more of your offer. These are crucial for enhancing your ad's visibility and click-through rate. Next, we'll create the actual ad. In your ad creation, make sure to reference the personalized experience from Outgrow in your ad copy. For example, if you're running a quiz about financial planning, your ad copy could highlight how users can discover their personalized financial plan by taking the quiz. This will entice users who are specifically looking for customized advice or solutions. The next critical part of setting up Outgrow campaigns in Google Ads is tracking. You want to make sure your Outgrow campaign success is being tracked in Google Ads so you can optimize for conversions. To do this, go to Outgrow's Analytics and make sure you've integrated Google Analytics or set up conversion tracking properly. From here, make sure you're tracking important actions like form submissions, button clicks, or quiz completions. Now, here's a pro tip. Be sure to set up Google Ads remarketing. If users land on your Outgrow campaign but don't convert, remarketing will allow you to show them tailored ads to encourage them to come back and complete the interaction. Once you've set up your ad, traffic should start rolling in. But don't just set it and forget it. Regularly check your campaign performance. Google Ads has tons of metrics you can use, but focusing on conversions and ROI will give you the clearest picture of how your Outgrow campaigns are performing. You'll want to adjust your bidding, audience targeting, and ad copy over time to refine your results. Lastly, remember that Outgrow is more than just an engaging tool. It helps you create highly interactive experiences that are tailored to your audience. Combining it with Google Ads makes your campaigns even more powerful, allowing you to drive traffic, convert visitors, and build a robust lead generation funnel. And before you go, I want to remind you that you can use Outgrow completely free through the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial that'll let you explore all the advanced features that can really elevate your campaigns. So, don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you implement these steps and start setting up your Outgrow campaigns in Google Ads today. Happy advertising.